Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a radical equation. The given equation is square root of 2x plus 3 equals x. This is a radical equation because on the left side, the variable x is under the square root. We have to find the value of x, so we should get rid of the square root on the left side of the equation. For that, we should square both sides of this equation. On the left side, the square root and the square will cancel each other out. And on the right side, we get x squared. This is a quadratic equation. We have to solve this quadratic equation to find the value of x. We should move all terms to one side of the equation and set the equation equal to 0. We can move 2x and 3 to the right side of the equation. They'll become negative 2x and negative 3. So we get 0 equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. We can rewrite it as x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. We have to solve this quadratic equation. We can factor this simple trinomial and then find the value of x. We can use the sum and product method. We have to find two numbers whose sum is negative 2 and product is equal to negative 3. Negative 2 is the coefficient of the x term in the equation and negative 3 is the number term. The two numbers that satisfy these two requirements are negative 3 and 1. We can use these two numbers to write the simple trinomial in factored form. The factored form is x minus 3 times x plus 1 equals 0. Now we can set these factors equal to 0 and solve for x. Let's start with the first factor. X minus 3 equals 0. We should add 3 to both sides. I get x equals 3. That's the first solution. Now we can use the second factor. We should subtract 1 from both sides. I get x equals negative 1. This is the second solution. Next, we should check whether these two solutions are valid solutions. For that, we should sub in these x values one by one in the given equation and find out whether the left side becomes equal to the right side. The given equation is square root of 2x plus 3 equals x. Let's start with the first value, 3. So we sub in x as 3. Two times 3 is 6. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. So the left side is equal to the right side. Therefore, x equals 3 is a valid solution. Next, we can check the solution x equals negative 1. We should sub in x as negative 1 in the given equation. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Square root of 1 is 1. 1 is not equal to negative 1. That means left side is not equal to right side. Therefore, x equals negative 1 is not a valid solution. So this equation has just one solution, x equals 3. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this equation. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.